Hi guys and girls, just a short video here just to show you how easy it can be to remove an oven door. Now my oven is made by Hygena, but even if this is not your model, watch on because these hinges are quite generic to other models as well, so this video still may help you. The only tool you're going to need is a small bladed flat screwdriver. Okay, first job is to open the oven door and look down at the hinges. If you look closely you'll see a small metal clasp. So what you need to do is get a flat bladed screwdriver and just carefully lift that up, and then using your fingers retract that all the way back until it stops. You then do the same thing again on the other side, just remembering to pull this little clasp all the way back. If you look at the clasp closely you'll see there's a little groove on the end there, and what's going to happen is when we open the door that is going to lock together just on the actual door plate there. Once these clasps are open, you need to grab your door firmly and slightly close it until you actually feel those little clasps engage into the plate on the door. Once you feel the resistance, you then need to close the door about a further 20 degrees, which will actually release the hinge pins. Then you need to carefully start to pull the door up. I'll show it at this angle because it's easier to see. Close the door about 20 degrees. Pull the door up, slightly wiggling it as you go, and you'll find that the hinges actually do release. It might be a little bit stiff the first time you do it. Now to refit the door is a simple reversal of the process, but have a little look at these hinges and you'll notice the little V-shaped cutout at the bottom. Now when you slide these hinges back into the oven, they need to sit at the bottom of the actual slot. Otherwise, if you don't get it right, you won't be able to actually lock the hinges in place. So okay, let's now put it back. So firstly you need to line up both hinges into the slots in the oven and just try and fill those little slots back in place there. Just like that. Once they're in place you will be able then to actually fully open the oven door. Just take your time when you do this part. Once you're happy that the door is properly located, all you need to do is just simply reclose the clasps, push them all the way home, and this will now lock the door back into the oven. And that's it. Well done, you've finished. Just carefully close the door a couple of times to make sure that it's properly aligned. If it's not aligned, don't force it because that means you've probably not got one of those hinges properly located. Well, I hope this short video has helped you out. If so, please give it a thumbs up, I always do appreciate that. But for now, I'd just like to say thanks for watching.